Celebrate with you guys. I am your Fortbend County Tax Assessor Collector, and I also do your car tags too, so don't get mad. But I will be coming back again. I'm looking forward to having you with me tonight. Thank you.
Thank you. And the next we have Judge Julie Matthew. She's my neighbor too. So every time I have to pass from the street, I have to see her house.
I don't believe you every day you go to your neighbors. Good evening, Barak, everyone. My name is Judge Julie Matthew. I'm the judge of County Court of Law number 3 in Fortbend County. I was elected in 2018 and I was the first AC on the bench. It's my privilege to be here and to meet all of you. If you don't know each other, please do come and introduce yourself. Thank you for having me. Eid Mubarak once again. Don't forget Julie Matthew.
Thank you, Julie. So the next we have Judge Sonia Raj. That you'll always see Justice of Peace, and when she was elected, then she was always that slogan. Don't forget the Raj, Sonia Raj. So here we go.
Thank you. And it was not, don't forget the rash, by the way. It was the rational choice. Or the only rash you'll ever want, whichever. But I am Judge Sonia Raj. First, I also want to say Eid Mubarak to everyone. I'm so happy to be here. I am not running until 2026. I was just newly elected by the good people of Fortbend County. And other than being very blessed to be here and celebrating this day, I want to say thank you all for coming out.
All right, thank you. So the next, our first Muslim Fortbend County Precinct Constable, Nabil Shai. By the way, he's running for the re-elect again next year.
I started in Ramadan, most beneficial, the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum, my dear respected brothers, sisters, and elders. And Eid Mubarak to each and every single one of y'all. Very tired, we went out with the entire family. We did Qurbani today with my chacha that came from Pakistan. But again, it's an honor and privilege to serve as your Fortbend County Precinct 3 Constable. I've been serving for the last, going over our 3rd year right now. And we look forward to serving you guys again for another 4 years. So, inshallah, let's enjoy the season and Eid Mubarak again.
Okay, next is Judge Surendra Patel. I know Mr. With two T's, yes. I know Surendra for over last maybe 10 years. Yeah, we always seen him, and then all of a sudden I saw Surendra is running for judge. I was like, Surendra, are you serious? He said, yeah man, I'm running. I'm like, here you go man, my support is with you, and he won.
Hello, Eid Mubarak to everybody. Thank you for having me. I am Sindhi Patel, the presiding judge of the District Court in Fortbend County. Thank you for choosing me as the presiding judge in Fortbend County. Thank you again, Eid Mubarak.
All right.